This video covers a Masterspec work section support, view, and replace request. When requesting support, select Replace. Fill in the profile and additional information, and then select the request location. Submit the request. When the supplier has completed your request, the supplier icon flashes in the index, and the system displays a new message icon at the top right-hand side beside your name. Selecting the icon reveals the message details. Selecting the message listing itself automatically opens up the work section and the chat window. Your work section action panel will now display the following options. Preview. This will allow you to preview the supplier section before importing it. Import work section. This will import the entire new section into your project. Reopen request. This will allow you to request more information or different information from the supplier. Cancel request. This will cancel the request entirely. You may resubmit the request again at any time in the future. To begin, select Preview. Review the work section detail created by the supplier. If you believe the content meets the project's requirements, select Import Work Section. Select OK. The work section will be imported into your project. If the information is incorrect or you would like clarification, select Reopen Request. This will allow you to pass the request back to the supplier. They can then modify this work section again before you import it. Alternatively, import the work section and then you can continue to modify the content yourself at any time in the future. Note the legal disclaimer and contact history. Contact history will provide a history of all actions between the supplier and yourself and versions of the work section as it is imported. The disclaimer confirms that the suppliers are providing content to you with limited project details. You must use the professional judgment to access the content. Check its validity, and then decide if you want to include this content as your own. After importing the work section, you retain full editing rights and responsibility, and you can change any of the content.